Hi, I'm Elaine,
And I'm Mejan.
and this is our terrarium presentation.
We found this picture on Google Images. This was the design we decided to base our terrarium off of. We chose this design because we thought that it would benefit the plant because it prevents the water from building up. Since the excess water can drip out of the open bottom, it's helpful if we accidentally overwater the plant.
To build our terrarium, we used 2 water bottles. We cut one bottle in half and placed the top half upside down into the bottom half, forming the drainage system. We then cut the second bottle and slipped the top half over the whole thing as a cover. Our maintenance of this terrarium was very simple. We watered it once a week and tried to take pictures of the plant's progress every day.
As you can see, our progress over the first 3 days was very successful. We saw a sprout grow overnight, and by the end of the 3rd day, the plant had become noticeably taller and had leaves.
This is a weekly progression of our terrarium. Our plant continued to grow successfully until we cut the top of the bottle open. During this process, we accidentally snapped one of the plant's stems, which affected its growth.
Our final result was very disappointing. After we cut the bottle, the plant stopped growing, and the one that we broke ended up dying. One of the plants lost almost all its leaves, and the other one shriveled up.
Our terrarium was doing very well until we decided to cut the top off. This disrupted the biogeochemical cycles that had formed inside the bottle, and also damaged the plant. However, the terrarium was doing well prior to this, mainly because of the natural cycles that were taking place.
The main engineering problem is that we faced was the fact that the plant grew very tall. We didn't want it to hit the top, and to help it grow taller, we decided to open the bottle up. However, although this was intended to benefit the plant, it ended up hurting it.
Our claim is that our plant died because we disrupted the biogeochemical cycles inside the terrarium, as well as damaged the stalk. Evidence of this was when the condensation disappeared after we removed the top, which messed up the water cycle. The nitrogen and carbon that had been kept inside probably also dispersed. We also did some research and learned that interrupting a biogeochemical cycle is very harmful. We believe that if we had left the bottle closed, the plant would have kept growing and survived.
Thanks for listening.